Want to know the secret sauce to financial freedom? Here are 10 strategies that will change your life. First up, develop high-income skills like digital marketing, coding, or sales. Your skill is your money machine. Next, start a side hustle. Don't just depend on a job. Earn while you sleep = real wealth. Live below your means, but think bigger. Control your spending, save first, spend later. Always plan to grow big, invest early and smart. Don't just save, invest in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, and let your money make more money. Leverage social media for income. One viral video on YouTube or TikTok can change your life. Solve problems, don't just sell products. Rich people solve problems. Value equals money. Network with winners, or your circle is your net worth. Be around smarter, richer, more ambitious people. Keep learning every day. Read, listen to podcasts, watch skill-building videos. Knowledge equals leverage. Take calculated risk. No risk means no reward. Try bold moves, but do your homework first. Finally, be consistent and patient. Success isn't instant, but if you keep showing up and leveling up, money will follow. Consistency beats talent every time.